Today I'll show you how to set up and customize a WordPress website on Hostinger. Perfect for beginners who want a professional site. Go to hostinger.com and choose a WordPress hosting plan. They usually include a free domain. After checkout, log in to your hPanel dashboard. Click Auto Installer, then click WordPress. Set your site title, username, and password, then install. Go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and log in. This is where you'll manage your website. In the dashboard, go to Appearance, then click Themes, then click Add New. Pick a free theme like Astra or Niv, or upload a premium one. Click Activate to apply it. Go to Appearance, then click Customize. Change your logo, colors, fonts, and homepage layout. Use widgets and menus to organize navigation. Install Elementor for drag and drop design. Use Yoast SEO for better search rankings. Add WooCommerce if you want an online store. Create essential pages like home, about, services, and contact. When you're ready, click Publish and your site is live. Pro tips: keep your site lightweight by limiting plugins. Regularly update WordPress, themes, and plugins for security. Use Hostinger's backups and performance tools to keep your site running fast.